How to change permission settings for Meta AI. If you want to manage what Meta AI can access, this video will show you how to change the permission settings. First, open the Meta AI website and sign into your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. In General, open Account Center and click on Your Information and Permissions. Here, you can review and manage permissions, such as export your information, search history, app connections, and identity confirmation. Enable or disable each permission based on your preference. Your changes will be applied automatically and used the next time you interact with Meta AI. Keep in mind that some permissions may vary depending on your browser, device, or region. That's how you can change permission settings for Meta AI. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.